Hey guys, I am back with another cleaning video for you, except this time I wanted to do it a little bit differently and slow it down. Usually for these videos I will speed up the clip so it looks like I'm cleaning really fast and play some upbeat, energetic music, and I know you guys have been loving those, but I feel like they can sometimes be a little stressful. I know for me at least, sometimes when I watch things in fast speed, it makes me feel like my brain is going in fast speed or something. And I just feel like with everything going on in the world today, I think we could all use a little more calm in our day. So I just thought, why not just make a more relaxed, easygoing cleaning video? So what you're about to watch is all the cleaning I did for a week. Aside from the routine stuff I do all the time, like sweeping the floor, laundry, dishes, wiping counters, stuff like that. Anytime I did anything extra, I recorded it. I did forget to record when I randomly cleaned the stainless steel in the kitchen, and also Madison dusted the living room one day and I didn't record that. But other than that, this is what I got done in a week from Monday until Sunday. I'm gonna skip doing a voiceover explaining what I'm doing through the video this time, so if you have any questions about anything, just feel free to leave it as a comment. But yeah, I'm just gonna play some of my favorite relaxing songs, and I hope you enjoy watching.
You can't turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry, somebody's waiting down the line. You pick up the pieces, hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry, somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the line. So don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry, somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line. I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. How to carry on your own.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all for my next one. Bye!